Hello Group 2, and this week we are learning all about mass, which involves weighing. So you think, right, well, what do we weigh? Well, we weigh ourselves, don't we? So we weigh how much we weigh, like in stones, or could be kilograms. When we go to the shops, we might weigh some food, and then sometimes we weigh ingredients, don't we? So if we're making a cake, we would need to weigh some ingredients to see how much it weighs. So there are some fruit. And you can see there it weighs just over a kilogram. So often we use grams and kilograms these days, where once upon a time, in the olden days, probably like 30 years ago, 40 years ago, they used like pounds and ounces, which we still use now on some occasions. And if you go to the shops, you'll still see some things that are in pounds and ounces. But often we also use digital scales as well now. So electronic weighing scales. You can see that is in kilograms. And there is 1,000 grams, so a gram is very light. I think a feather weighs about 11 grams, but there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Kilo meaning 1,000. So there's loads of things in life that we use for weighing. Sometimes we have like industrial things, industrial weighing. So like a car or something like that would go onto those scales, and that would be very heavy. So we're always weighing things, and we're always, thinking about what we can weigh, why. Loads. Okay, so just going to show you this. So this is a weighing scale here, and this is in kilograms, but it doesn't say anywhere. And we can see we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on up to 10. And you can see there is something there already. So how much does that weigh? So you can see our marker is pointing to the 1. Now what's in between 0 and 1? That's right, it's half. So if it was there, it would be half a kilogram. So I'm going to click on one of these here, one of these weights. I'm going to click on 1. And you can see what's happened now. It's heavier. So now it is 2 kilograms. So if I clicked on another one, how much would that weigh? That's right, 3 kilograms. What about if I clicked on 2 kilograms? So if I added 2 kilograms to 3, what would that be? 5 kilograms. Okay. And what about if I added another 5 kilograms? So what's 5 at 5? Yep, it's 10. You can see there, that's got a lot heavier. It's gone all the way down, and it can't take any more. What about if I took 1 kilogram off? So 10 take away 1 is 9. What about if I took 2 off? So 9 subtract 2. 7. So today we're just looking at the objects for 1 kilogram. Okay? And we'll just be looking at some weighing scales. Okay, so it's a little bit fuzzy, but it says find the mass of each item. So there is an item on each scale. Excuse me. And we can see we've got 0, 1, 2. So what would that be? You probably can't see it there, but that would be 2 kilograms. So you just need to put how much it is. And then this one, a little bit different. So it says fill in the blanks with less than, more than, as heavy as. So the watermelon is. And it's saying, is it less than 2 kilograms, the watermelon, more than, or as heavy as as heavy as would be 2 kilograms. Now, you'd have to enlarge that, but it's actually just a little bit more than 2 kilograms. So here we'd put more than. And the same for that one. So you will have to enlarge these pictures. And then here it says find the mass of each item below. The basket of strawberries is about what? So they're the strawberries, and these are the weights, and there's 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms. So that would be 2 kilograms altogether. Okay, so that one's okay. And then again, if we come to here, you've got to say, is it less than, more than, or heavy? The container of 10 eggs is what? So if you look at these scales, now this is 1 kilogram, it says there. Now that 1 kilogram, if you look, it's slightly tilted, which suggests this is heavier than the eggs. So the container of 10 eggs is more than or less than? It'd be less than, wouldn't it? Because a kilogram is more than, so this is heavier and this is lighter. So what's the question asking? The container of eggs is what than 1 kilogram? So they're your options: less than, more than, as heavy as. Okay, so have a go with those and look forward to seeing your work.